This is the endless beauty. Dito ka muna, para masama ka naman. Good morning. Hindi pa pala ako nakapalit na. Good morning. Hala, tingnan mo yung lumipad. Yung aking angel. Ay! Ay, maaraw ngayon pero malamig. Sobrang lamig. Punta kami sa simbahan, 12 o'clock na misa. Ay, dapat pala umihi muna ako. Good morning. Dito na kami sa simbahan. Kunti pa lang yung tao. Ay, makakaihi pa ako. Good.
Hindi ya kali yung Monday noche. Siya na sumunsi. Grande de Kanjo si Roderick.
Ikaw naman.
Nakatadurmi
Na 25.
Na. 5 oras. Tadurmi lang pero.
Sa Barbie tulya alas 5 o alas 4.
Si ano?
Ano?
Live pala yan.
Ang
isang sisig.
Napanood na nila yan lahat. Sila pa.
Oo.
Lahat na.
Ganyan ka.
Minikapan siya ng kanyang ate Chloe. Close your eye. Yan. Si Mamang dapat meron din siyang makeover.
Can I see?
Makeover of the Dora's hair.
Can I see?
Dora's hair. Ha? Nung pumunta kami dito, bumili na ako ng mga ganito. Yan, sa Hortaleza ko yan binili. Ito, hindi ko alam saan. Kasi
Wala tayong
mga-
spray? Walang pag-spray
Walang
ng
spray
buhok?
eh. Oo.
Nasaan yung bagong gunting? Yung bagong gunting yung mga Kasi yung mga gunting dito like.
What did you do to Mama? You want her to look like Kris Jenner?
Yeah, they're like the same age, but they're like.
Yeah, but Mamang is more beautiful than us before. Yeah. Look at us. Look at us. This is the endless beauty.
Definitely see.
Look, oh, see. Oh, she's more beautiful than us. Look at the nose.
No,
She has a
you
very
don't like
beautiful
her.
nose. Look at her now.
Mami, magkasim lang man kayo.
Magkamukha kami, Ben.
Hmm.
Oh, magkamukha kami nun.
How old are you in this picture, Mamang?
16 kayo ke.
16?
16 kayo ke. 16 or 18.
Buya.
But now she's already 70. How old are you, Mamang? 65?
64.
64.
Ichabo ke di mio
Picture?
letrato.
Marami ra si Bernadette.
Oh.
Achinga.
Ay na.
Kay kakaibang lahi daw, hindi daw yung karay Pinoy.
Karay, Indian.
Unay tayo habla.
Wow, that is a very nice haircut.
I will also cut your...
Ben, let's see the back. The back. Come here.
Then we'll do some body piercing on your ears.
That's very nice. You have to say thank you to Tito Ben.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then we will color your...
I'll need some cold water. Yo, that one's for me.
What?
That one for me.
You put it here. If you don't want, put it there.
Anong palaman niya? Ayan.
Meron, pakita mo yung laman.
Pork?
Pork.
Ground pork?
Asado
Yeah.
at saka beef asado.
Good at basketball. You see him do. He did 2 full court shots one time when I was at his house.
Oh, nice jacket. What's that? What brand is that?
This is
What brand is that?
This is
Literally right
this
there.
is a Star Wars jacket.
Members only.
Members only
I want
jacket.
that at Marshall's.
Hindi na
ganun na yung gulong.
Where's my phone?
Hindi na makatakbo.
Sa likod?
Where's Abby?
College guy,
Oh, college.
BMW. Tawag sila ng pulis.
You get my headphones, can you get my headphones?
Doon na yung
Yan,
Your bag?
pagkain.
Food na.
Ma'am, di mo bag kayo? Oh, sige, bye-bye. Hello?
Wait, I left my headphones up there.
Ha?
What?
Ayan, bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Dapat next week dito ka, ha?
No, she's a
Alas to, Pranela,
I
no?
caught them.
Ranela, oo, hindi si Priyo.
Oo.
Mag-bless kayo, bless ka Priyo. Ayan, minessage ako ng kapatid ko dahil ang nanalo sa Miss Universe ay Philippines. Ayan o. Ngayon lang. Ngayon, katatapos lang daw ng pageant. Pero mali daw ang announcement. Mali ito kay Nini, alam ko. Wala, kung hindi ang mali daw ang announcement eh. Hala eh. Tingnan mo, mali yung announcement. Hala, Pilipinas ka na
Runner-up
Hala,
is Colombia.
kamukha niya si si Julia Clarete. Oo, na-link ko kay Noynoy.
2015
Hala, siya pala eh.